Today I'm going to teach you how to play a deep pocket gospel groove. We're going to go through 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. We're going to be in the key of A flat dominant. Here's the first shape you're going to need to know. That little movement. In practice, it sounds like this. Stay there. All day. That's level 1. The key is having that right hand constantly go up and down, right? You never want to lose the groove. So you should be constantly thinking down, up, down, up, down, up. So this note is being held throughout all the chords. You know, we're playing a D flat major, a B major, and then this, A flat dominant. But really, you're kind of surrounding this note. This is the target note. Okay, that's level 1. Level 2, we are going to add some triads and chromaticism. So we're going to play this triad, this triad, this triad, this triad. All of these are A flat triads. And that's all fine and good. That would be kind of boring though, especially for gospel music. So we're going to slide into those triads from a half step below. All right, let's hear what it sounds like in practice. That's level 2. We're just playing triads. But it's got that sauce. You know, when you slide into that triad, that's it. When you just approach the triad from a half step below, you just watch how the congregation, how the crowd reacts, because it's like you're taking something so simple and you're just like, all right, I'm going to add a little something. I'm going to add a little flavor. Here is level 3. The last and final step you need is we're going to add a G flat chord, major triad. So it's going to sound like this. You know, here's the G flat, A flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, A flat. And all together, we are going to be able to add chromatic runs like this. Stuff like that, you know? Right? So we're taking level 1, we are taking level 2, which is this half step, and we're taking level 3, which is adding that G flat. So we can add all of those chords to our groove. Let's see what it sounds like in practice. Level 3, let's incorporate everything. There you go. That's how you groove in gospel music. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.